If you own a jewelry business, I'm going to show you how to track your income and expenses, your orders, and your inventory all in one place. This is a spreadsheet available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. It works in Google Sheets and Excel, so here's how it works. So first we are on the dashboard for your income and expenses. This is going to show you your total annual income and your expenses for the year. On these charts, you can click on each month and see what your income is by month, and you can see what your expenses are by month. You can scroll down to see your income and expenses by month and your net profit per month. And then this is just a repeat of the above. This transaction log feeds into the dashboard. So everything we put in here will go over onto the dashboard. So let's do a quick sample. Let's put in the date, and then let's say that this is a sale. We can choose from the drop-down box income or expense, and this is going to be a jewelry. And this is going to be a silver ring. The income, say it's going to be $65 for that piece, and it costs you $10.50 to make it. You spent $6.50 on tax. So your net profit for that ring is $48. Okay, next is your price list. You are welcome to edit this and change it to whatever your prices are. So let's just put in a ring. We'll put the silver wedding band, and let's say it's $250. And then the next one is your orders dashboard. This is going to help you to track all of the orders that you have coming in. So this shows you the total number of orders you've had, the total revenue, your net profit, and pending orders. And you can also see which items are in progress, ready to ship, or shipped. And then a handy to-do list as well. The next one is your inventory tracker. This is going to help you with tax purposes, so that if your tax accountant says, what is the total value of your inventory, you've got it all right here and you can tell them what the value is. And then also this is going to help you to know, what do I have in stock? What do I need to make? And what do I need to buy? So we can just choose a date here, choose from the category. Let's put ring, size 7, color, you can choose from the drop-down box. Silver, if there's a stone you can choose, if not, you can leave that alone. We've got 2 of them. The price is, $125. Now the value is going to multiply that and give you a value of $250. And then appraised value, you can do that as well. And, say it was appraised for even more, for $300. If there's an identification number and a description, you can put, whatever you need. So this will track the total value, your total appraised value of your items, and the total number of items that you have. This can also be helpful as well if you have inventory, in your home of items that you wanted to just see, what is the value of all the items that I have and what I own personally. This is helpful as well. And the last one, this is an order tracker. This is helpful specifically if you are shipping out orders. And then we're going to do a sample here. So let's put in the date. We'll choose from the drop-down box, and then the type. We're going to put in the ring again, size 7. The color was silver. There's no stone. It's not on clearance. If it's a holiday related, you can use that drop-down box as well. If it's sold out, how many sold, what the price is, if you offered a discount, how much it costs you to ship it, and then what your net profit is for that item. Now, if you're shipping it, I've got, where you can say what the status is. So let's say that we've shipped it. The customer's name was Jane. You can put their address, email, the shipper. So if it's USPS or UPS or FedEx, you can put that, the tracking number, the ship date, and then the arrival date. Put any notes there. And that is how this works. This will also help you to track your total profit and the quantity sold as well. So lots of really cool things that could help you to stay organized. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. I have over 400 sheets to help you to organize your business, your home, budgeting, school, lots and lots of things. So feel free to take a look around. Thanks again for watching, and you guys have a great day.